Alright, welcome. The next capability that we want to showcase from ConceptWorks is our new CNC router. This is a homemade CNC router. It can machine any materials up to 5 foot by 10 foot in size. The nice thing about this upgraded machine is it is interfaced with our engineering team. So the engineering team is actually creating all of our files in SolidWorks or AutoCAD and are creating the files that are then sent to this machine in a DXF form that tells the machine exactly what type of pattern to run and cut out of each sheet. Once the parts are actually cut out of the machine, then there's a conveyor belt that's an automated offloading system. So the parts are then pulled off of the machine, allowing for us to have very little downtime, and we are able to load the new sheet onto the machine while we're offloading parts. And as we are offloading parts, there's actually a laser eye on the conveyor belt that allows the parts, once they're picked, the new parts are then brought to the end of the machine. Again, keeping that efficiency high and providing the best product for our customers. So please let us know if you have any CNC needs.